how to change formation in eFootball Mobile. In order to change formation in eFootball Mobile, launch eFootball Mobile and then go to the option called My Team. Now from here, go to the option called Game Plan right at the first option. Now this is my current formation 4-2-1-3, which I have set it customly, but you can change this formation by tapping on the manager profile from the top left hand side. And from here you can select this option called Set Formation right here. And when you do that, you can turn on Fluid Formation. So you can just turn this on, which is a new feature, and you can have different formation for attacking and different formation for defending. So for attacking, whenever you're attacking, you can just, let's say you want the complete formation to be full attacking, right? So you can go ahead and select that particular formation. But when you're playing defensive, let's say, you can either copy from base team, copy from attacking formation, or you can go for a full defensive formation in this case as well when you're playing defensive right here. So when you've done that, you will see this is the attack formation, and switch to defense formation. This is the defense formation. So this will be the attack and this will be the defense, and you can customize various types of options over here. And you can also auto pick by selecting auto pick, by stats, and by link up play as well. And you can do that as well, and you can just tap on the by stats option right here. So this will be for attacking and this will basically be for defending. So this way we can go ahead and then basically change our formation in eFootball Mobile. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon as always in the next video.